My goodness, guys, we are out of gas. What are we gonna do, SpongeBob? Sponge boy me Bob. I guess we have to stay at that house over there. Huh. Why do we have to stay at a stranger's house? Yeah, maybe they have some gas we could use. Yeah, maybe. Let's just go in there and see what they have. Okay. I hope they have some donuts in there. I could go for some donuts. Of course, Patrick, because you're fat. Hey, I'm not fat. I'm big boned. Alright, guys, let's go. Alright, guys, we're here. I hope they have Skittles. Shut up, Patrick. Huh. It's quiet here. I hope they have some money we can steal. What? Just kidding. Let's just relax on this couch. You know, they should have locked this door if they didn't want us to come in here. You're right, Mrs. Squidward. Maybe they have some Krabby Patties here. They probably don't know if we have Krabby Patties or not. I'm just so tired. We've been walking all day. I know. I just want to get home. Yeah, we're in Texas, you know. Yeah, we're in Texas. There's something weird about this place. I know. I'm gonna go check this place out. I'm gonna go find some Skittles. Where's the Skittles? Where in the world's the Skittles? Alright, there's a bathroom. Maybe I need to go take a crap. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, get away! You know something? Patrick's been gone for an awful long time. You're right. Where could he be? I'm gonna go find the money. Mr. Krabs, I don't think they have money here. Well, this house is abandoned, and maybe there might be some treasures here. I'm gonna go look. I got a bad feeling, Squidward. I think, what if... Have you ever heard of those massacres in 1973? I don't remember them. Some girl escaped from a man wearing some people's face. I don't know. It's weird. Alright, I'm gonna go find the money. What in the world? What's in here? Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of bones in here! What in the world with all these bones? Oh! 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 What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Oh my goodness, is that Patrick? Oh my goodness, look at those dead bodies! Oh my goodness, what are you doing to me? No, don't put me up here. Oh, I can't, I'm paralyzed. No. What are you gonna do with that chainsaw? No, no, oh my goodness, it's coming through him. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to Patrick? Oh, no! Patrick, Squidward, I'm so scared. I hope they're alright. We should go check on them. Wait a minute, what's that right there? like us.